Hey, how y'all doing out there? This is Ricardo with Mr. iPhone Mobile. Just want to give you a little bit of information about my business. I run a 24 hours, 7 days a week iPhone repair business at your location. Yeah, we actually come to you almost anywhere at any time. Come to your home, your office, your job, your work, the bar, the restaurant, McDonald's. All we need is a table and a chair, and if we ain't got that, we'll do it on top of the car too. Like I said, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Look at my little bag of tricks. We got the screens, the batteries, the front-facing cameras, the rear cameras, the charging ports, the speakers, the microphone, just about anything that you can do to an iPhone within 1 hour. That's about usually what it takes to do a repair. Sometimes 30 minutes, sometimes less. Just give me a call, let you know. Or look at MrIPhoneMobile.com. I approve this message. Mr. iPhone Mobile in Sacramento.